Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use interactive HTML bill of material in KiCad. So this interactive bill of material tool is quite different than your traditional bill of material. With the help of this bill of material, you can assemble the hardware faster. You can check it either it is placed or not, and you can also use this feature in this interactive bill of material sourced or placed. So let's see how to do it in KiCad. Open the main window of KiCad and click on Plugin and Content Manager. From here you can search Interactive HTML Bill of Material. Okay. So click on Install, then click on Apply Pending Changes. It will automatically install the HTML bill of material. Okay, then hit close. Now open the layout editor. See here interactive bill of material from here, so just click on it. Then it will ask where you want to save this, so make sure to select the folder where you want to save this bill of material. Okay, but for selection you can just click here. Okay, so if you select, it will ask where you want to save it. Select a folder and then click on generate bill of material. This way you can export the bill of material in HTML form. And this is pretty cool that whatever the device you will select from here, it will appear on your board as well, which is really cool. And it will help you while assembling the hardware by yourself.